Hi, this is Keith Doherty, and today we're going to talk about a neat little new program that's out there, a website called Twitter. And I'm going to take you to twitter.com, and we're actually going to walk through setting up our Twitter page. So if you want to go ahead and head over to www.twitter.com, we're going to go over there and we'll walk you through setting up your own Twitter account. Okay, now that we're over here on twitter.com, you can see that basically they're defining Twitter as a service for friends and family and coworkers to communicate and stay connected through the exchange of quick, frequent answers to one simple question. What are you doing? So what we're going to do here is we're going to get started and join. You can see the button right here, so we'll click get started and join. And we're going to type in our full name, and we're going to pick a unique username for ourselves. And what the neat thing with Twitter is, when you're typing in your name, it'll actually check the availability right here on the right and tell you that it's been taken. So we'll just add so we got an OK there. So now we're going to go ahead and select a password, put in our email address, and we're going to go ahead and type in the security code here so that we can get in. Now what that does is it brings you into a page to see if your friends are on Twitter. And if you have an address book on Gmail or Yahoo or AOL, Hotmail or MSN, you can actually have it check for you to see if any of your friends in your address book are already on Twitter, and you can let them know that you're on Twitter. So we're going to skip this step. We're going to jump right in here. And here's just another, what it does is it brings up some standard people that are on Twitter that you can choose to follow right out of the right from setting up your account. CNN, Britney Spears, these are some more popular people that would be on there. And you can actually select these and it'll automatically let you start following them. So we're going to go ahead and hit finish. And basically that's it. My account is set up. I can actually start using Twitter right now. I have my username set up there, and the neat thing about Twitter is it only allows you to post in within 140 characters. As you can see right here, it's 140. So the biggest sentence or sentences I can write can only have 140 characters. So, and that's typically what people, they say, what are you doing? You know, I am making a video on how to set up a Twitter account. So I hit update, and it posted down here in my profile. Now you can see I'm following one person. I only have one follower, so that would only actually post out to the one person that I'm following at this point. And the next thing we're going to do is set up our profile, and how we do that is we click on settings, and that's going to take us in. We have our name, our username, our email, more info. When people look at your profile, they can actually click on a link that will go back to your website. So you could actually put in a tie back to your home page, or if you have a blog page or somewhere that you want to send people. And they ask for an online bio. You have 160 characters where you can tell people about yourself. Where in the world are you? You can put down your location, and then we can go ahead and hit save, and that'll save that profile information. The password tab allows us to go in and change our password. The devices tab allows us to go in and actually configure mobile phone. You can put in your phone number and receive updates to your phone when somebody posts a message, or if you get frequent updates, they'll come to your mobile phone. On the notices section, we can actually decide what do we want to receive in emails. If somebody follows us, do we want an email? If somebody sends us a direct message, do we want an email? As well as the newsletter. This allows us to receive communication from Twitter. We can click on picture, And this allows us to basically browse out and select a picture that people can see on our profile. And I'm going to go ahead and grab a picture here so I can show you how it works. And we go ahead and hit save, and that's going to upload the picture that I've chosen, and it's going to get rid of this little brown area here that shows as my picture. And the last tab is called the design tab. We go ahead and click on that, and what that allows us is, you can see this background right now is the turquoise area here. We can actually pick from standard themes. We could pick black, and it automatically changes our background to black. We can choose any of these standard templates, and then we can go ahead and hit save changes. So there's just a quick overview of how you can quickly and easily set up your Twitter account. Now what I've done here is I've actually switched over to my main Twitter account that I've already previously set up, and you can see what I'm going to get into in future videos is how to do advanced editing. Like you can see, I have my picture and my website and the other social media sites that I'm involved in right here on my main Twitter page. You can see my followers that I have right now over 1,226. And keep in mind, I've only been on Twitter for just over 30 days, just over a month. So you can develop quite a following in just a short period of time. And in my future videos, I'm actually going to get into how you can build that kind of friends list in as short as 1 month. I'm already over 1,000 people. So I just want to give you a sample of what a fully configured page will look like, and just so you have a good idea of where we're going to go with my future training. And that concludes what I'm going to show you today. You should now be able to go in and actually get your Twitter account up and running. And like I said previously, I am going to do further instructional videos so that I can show you how to set up a Twitter account so you can have it look similar to mine, or you can add your own picture or different things to make yourself really stand out on Twitter, and some really other neat applications that can show you how to go to over 1,000 friends in less than a month, as well as some other neat ways that you can use some different tools that are out there to really become a master of Twitter. If you have any questions or comments in the meantime, you can go to my website at keithdoherty.com. We'll talk to you soon, and we'll see you on the next video.